Hey guys, it's Jim Johnson, the head coach here at Contractor Coach Pro, and we've been getting a ton of questions about our StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. Now we're doing these bootcamps all over the country. We've done them in Austin and Denver and Dallas. We're doing them in Minneapolis. We're going to be doing them in a lot of different areas. And so I would just want to get you a little video here about what it is that we're doing and why we're doing it. And so a lot of us know, this storm sales thing that we do is actually relatively easy. And you think about it, homeowner has damage, that's obvious, so they need the service. And that service that you're going to provide is paid for by the insurance company with a minimal investment from them regarding their deductible, if you get it in the first place. Some of you, I kind of wonder. But the reality is, that's not really sales in the traditional sense. Yes, we've got to have great service, we've got to do good work, and if those things happen, we will get more customers. But the reality is, it's not like trying to sell a Mercedes to somebody. I mean, seriously, if you told somebody, hey, here's this Mercedes, and if you give me $1,000, it's yours, absolutely, nobody would even question it. So why in the world do we have a difficult time sometimes in the storm restoration world? I think a lot of it has to do with perception. Some of us have to, go out and door knock and do some of those types of things, and we look at it as like this negative thing. And we've got to really change our mindset about it, that it's really our responsibility. It's what we need to do. It's what we have to do, because the people that should really be doing it, the insurance companies, aren't doing so. And I feel that's unfair to the homeowner, unfair to the property owner. These people that are likely to have damage to their property, the people that are holding risk, holding the contract on that risk and guaranteeing those folks that they'll take care of them, aren't informing them in any way that there might be a problem. Why do you think that might be? Well, they don't want to pay for it. So it falls on us as our responsibility. It became much easier for me to knock on doors and for our clients that we coach to knock on doors, and for you guys that come to our training event like this StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. Those are the type of things that we teach, and that's just one simple little thing. I mean, does your team feel like the storm is over? Do they have that kind of attitude? Well, we can fix that. We can solve that, because that's not really the case. Usually when everybody else thinks the storm is over, it's really just beginning, and the real pros, that's where they make hay. Do you get upgrades that you need? And a lot of you just give them away. You give away ridge vent, you give away upgrade to architectural, you do all these different things when you really should be getting very high value upgrades. Upgrades that add another $2,000, $3,000, $10,000 to the project, because the homeowner has a lot of money already towards it. And so we're going to teach you how to do that easily, and actually do a little bit of sales, become a true salesperson, and it's not that hard. Would you like to minimize or even eliminate supplementing? Are you getting tired of fighting insurance companies and going back and forth with them? We're going to teach you some techniques where you don't even have to do that. And if you do have to do it, it's very minimal and not really on your shoulders. How about the mortgage process? You guys all excited about that? How long it takes for Wells Fargo and those guys to get the checks back to you and process that stuff? What if we could solve that problem for you at this StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp? How about your team? Are they getting enough referrals? Are they getting 3 referrals out of every single person that they work with? Are they getting more than 3? And if they are getting 3, how much is it costing you to get those 3? How much are you investing to get them? What if I told you that I could cut your cost for referrals by 75% and get you 3 times as many referrals? We're going to teach you how to do that at the StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. Does your team create a pipeline that's so full of opportunities and leads that they have to pass off those leads to other sales reps? If they're not doing that, send it to the StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. And then last but not least, is your team really looking at all the different ways and avenues that they can generate business above and beyond the door knocking thing? And digital marketing is one of those things. And we as companies, we do that stuff, our SEO, our website, our pay-per-click, and all those fun things. But your sales rep, there's so many opportunities out there for them to learn a little bit of a new skill, how to create a sales page and a sales funnel, a form, and get people into their world with a small little Facebook ad to start generating their own leads and creating a pipeline that's just almost impossible to turn off. So if all that stuff sounds cool to you, you think it's going to be something that's worth your while, come out and join us at the StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. We have them all over the place. We're looking forward to having you guys there. It's a full day of intense getting to work. We actually do some role playing and some practice like that. We'll teach your guys how to door knock and do that door knocking in a different way than what everybody else is doing. That's what we're all about. Hey, everybody's kind of old school with this stuff. We're going to bring a new spin to it, a new spin that's been working for our coaching clients. We want to teach your sales reps how to do that out in the field. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. Don't miss it. You'll regret it. And for the cost, if you just sell one new job, it more than pays for it. So your return on investment is crazy. So click the button down below, click the link down below, and join us for the StormPRO Sales Training Bootcamp. I'm Jim Johnson, head coach. Can't wait to see you there.